This guy's thinking, I'm never doing this again. Well, welcome back to another video, and I got a guy over here. If you don't recognize him, it's Justin with Kayak Catfish.
Glad to be here. Glad to finally get to fish with this guy. It's been a long time coming.
We've been trying to get something together, and if you know his channel, he's usually going for big catfish and stuff. So today we're out on a river in East Tennessee. Now this is a cold river, mountain river that comes out of the mountains where they stock it with trout, like a pretty well-known place. But I've never been through this section. I've been wanting to explore it, and I got a guy to go with me today. So we're going for whatever we can catch, hopefully some good smallmouth or bass or something. But this is a beautiful place. It's gonna be fun just to float it. We got 6.5 miles to go. I'm ready to catch some fish. You ready to catch some fish?
I've been ready, man. Let's do it.
All right. Yeah, this will be fun. Just paddle straight through it. Just watch out for big rocks to pull you sideways. But there's all kinds of fish in here. Oh, there's a huge smallmouth right there. Oh man, spooked it, I guess. I might have to get out and walk this one. Probably have a rope. I use this all the time. Yeah. Learning process. I think I'm gonna walk it. Woo! I hope you weren't planning on staying dry. Oh, we got a couple little things to get around here. That's what's fun about a new place to explore. Nothing to it. There we go. What do I get in my fish number one? Oh, giant rock bass. Oh, that thing's a toad. Well, we're about 45 minutes in and we've gone through some really cool water. Got my first fish, a big old rock bass. Look how fat that guy is. Nice one. This water flows a lot faster than I thought, so we're gonna have to kind of pick the spots to fish and maybe fish a little slower, or maybe change up, throw some bigger lures. Got another obstacle to get around. I think it's a big old tree right out in the middle of the river. Oh man, I got me a big old red breast. I got a rock bass and a red breast. think I'm going for smallmouth and I ain't found one yet, but that's a nice red breast. Yay, smallie number 1. We're an hour and 10 minutes in. Got my first bass, smallmouth bass today. Just a little guy. Bite, I'm still trying to figure it out. You know, as we're going down here, still trying to figure out how everything's going. But man, it's been a really fun float already. We got sunfish. Oh, there's no one. Oh, line tangled it. That's a rock bass. Ah! Get in the tree. And this deeper section, there's definitely, the fish are hitting through here. Another big old rock bass. Look at that, that's a pretty one. Nice.
I'll let you get.
There we go. Woo-wee! Flying smallies. Oh, all of a sudden, starting to get into a few fish. Nothing big yet, but I'll take them. Keep it breaking up. Oh! Justin just caught one right behind me. Wherever there's biting at, there's like a few of them biting in that sections. Just gotta find those sections and really fish those areas that are holding the fish. There he is, there he is. Oh man, there's a bunch of them right underneath me. There's a tree right here beside me. There's some good ones. I got a decent one on. I'm gonna pull over here to the side. It's not a huge one. There were some bigger ones there. Look at that guy. That's a pretty fish though. Good start for a first decent catch. And he threw up a, dude, he threw up a huge minnow that he was eating. Let me get this guy released and get back to fishing. Look what he was eating on. How big that, I don't know what that is, half digested. Well, I know they're in there. There's a bunch of them in there, so they're being a little bit picky. There's one. Oh,
that's a nice one.
That was the biggest one today. All right, we are an hour and a half in, and starting to really pick up some fish. And I had a good one on waiting over there, and it came off. But there's over there. There was 3 or 4 that came out. So I kind of changed up a couple lures. We kind of know that they're hanging out in the deeper water so far, or maybe as we're getting downstream, they're getting more active. I don't know, but give me a little snack and get back to it. Oh, where we go? Hey, there's a spotted bass. Oh, better watch where I'm going. Let me get it unhooked real quick. Oh, yes. There we go. Got a good one. Really good one. He's gonna take me into the tree over here. Yeah, the tree. Man, it's tough fishing here. I knew it would be worth it. All right, see if I can get him in the net. Oh, no, where you at? Oh, no. Ah! He's taking off downstream. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, no! After all that, it came out. Oh, my goodness. Rock bass. Tree. Oh, I'm gonna go heavier, change up to a heavier setup anyways, I think. What are we putting on there? I kinda wanna put a crawl on there though. Man, I feel like we're passing all kinds of fish.
I know, I was afraid to take my hands off the paddle.
Yeah, I know, it's so hard to fish it right. You probably you need to come through with a like an anchor in the front or something. But yeah, you could take all day. But man, some of those areas through there, I bet it's loaded. Yeah. You know, if you can just get up under that brush, get up on the bank.
All right, guys, so we have pulled off here right now. We're kind of going through another little rapid section here, and John's going to retie. So,
oh man, check out this beautiful view out here. Don't worry about that guy right there.
He's talking about me. I'm the beautiful view.
We're about a third of the way in, and I think I'm starting to get it figured out. And this current is flowing more than I thought. It actually takes you along, but this is one of the few rivers that's not on a dam, which is really cool for around this area. So it's a natural, free-flowing river. Man, these views are beautiful. I got it retied. I'm ready to go. You ready to catch some fish this time?
I'm ready.
All right.
I was born ready.
So we're gonna get back out here. We probably got another 3 hours to go, and hopefully no more big obstacles to come. Ah. Oh, into it. Wow. A little stronger. Woo. Oh, those look so good down through here. There he is. There he is. I got a trout! I wasn't expecting any trout down this way. Look at that rainbow trout right there.
So sure as well, what do you got there?
I got a little rainbow trout.
Rainbow, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised he's down this far. I didn't think the water would be cold enough for him.
Oh, there you go. Well, so much for your underwater release shot.
Dude, this place is awesome. If I could fish it slower, I'll probably be catching so much more fish. You'll see these rocks over here. We got got flow. I caught that rock bass over there in a little calm area. And we got this rock over here that's got another break. These breaks is where these fish are sitting at. They're sitting right out of the current. I'm sinking that Hellgrammite in there. And that's where I've been getting hits. So I got a little bit heavier rod, medium heavy. Got a brown Hellgrammite. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, it's another stinking rock bass. Well, those things are out right where he's supposed to be, though. I thought it might have been a good smallmouth. There we go. Another spotted bass. Just saw a few otters, but I couldn't get them on camera. Drifted up here, got a spotted bass. rock bass. Man, fish, there's a lot of fish through here. Hard to get the casting up. Man, I'm passing up a lot of places where I could probably catch a few fish or maybe a big one. I don't have an anchor system. I wasn't sure what this river was gonna be like, so it is what it is. Gotta make the most of it. But I'm catching fish, and that's working. Kayak. Oh yeah. Whew, that could have been bad. I thought I was gonna bounce right off of it. I almost got hung up on that log and I started to tip a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a solid fish. Hey, good largemouth. Well, I got the slam. Now I gotta get off before I get hitting that tree. That's largemouth. There we go. What is this? Oh, it's a rock bass. In the current. Whoa, current pushing me over. If you get in it right here, somebody's already gone through here, looks like. There's a little path. Yeah. This guy's thinking, I'm never doing this again.
Yeah, challenge. I hope you're filming this.
We've had to go through a few sketchy little things, but it's not too bad.
I think I'm in the home stretch.
There you go. Few trees in the way, just trying to make it a little difficult.
Can't hide talent, folks. When you got it, you got it.
Oh, came through a style. Yes, yes, yes. Stay on, stay on. Nice. There's a good bass. Going through this slow section, just wasn't sure what's in there, so I started throwing this that mini bull shad from Walmart. Check out that guy. Man, once you get in this river, even if it looks like it's not flowing for us fast, you just can't stop flowing. Good, probably 2-pound largemouth came out and hit that swim bait. I'll show you that in a minute. The one I got from Walmart. It's like a bluegill. So biggest fish. Going through this big calm area. There's not a lot of stuff happening. I saw this guy come out and look at it, and then he hit it. So that was really, really cool to see. This is that lure. I think it's, I got so much cobwebs and stuff on the camera. I think it's a 3/4 ounce, and it just sinks real slow, so it's pretty easy to throw and swim around. Well, we're almost back to the to my truck where we're gonna take out. What a peaceful, just awesome day. I didn't get that big smallmouth I really was hoping for. That's not gonna happen every trip anyways. Got a little fish following my swimbait. First day exploring this river, it really changed from the upper part to where we're at now. Is a lot different. I don't know if there's a lot of smallmouth really hanging around this section of the river. It definitely seems to be more largemouth, but it could change at different times. But man, it's been an awesome day out here. Nobody else out here fishing. We're just cruising down the river and enjoying it. Oh, another one. All of a sudden I'm getting hits from this thing. I had 2 little fish hit it. Oh, that's a little spotted bass. Oh, I'm about to get in a tree. Maybe I'm gonna get a few more bites. I don't think we're that far from the takeout, but I might get a few more bites, I don't know. That was cool, I had 2 little bass come out and hit that. Hey, we ain't done just yet. I think I see where we're taking out at. The little swimbait thing is doing pretty good, especially in this big. This here's a big flat calm area where there's not really, everything looks the same. So I'm trying to find something just that'll pull them out. And I've got a couple of hits from little ones and a couple of decent largemouth. Yep, got him out. Pick up a couple lures. Get ready, because the place we gotta get, I got a little current right there. That was, I like that trip. It was a good trip. Now, Kayak Catfish is coming up behind me. I don't know if he liked it as much. It's definitely not his realm of fishing. So you have to be sure and check out his channel to see what he thought about it. You know what, my first kayak river float, I flipped my kayak. So you're starting off right.
All right.
But he flipped his kayak his first time, which was the other day. Today though, we stayed upright.
Yeah, awesome trip out here today. He caught a heck of a lot more fish than I did, but it was a dang good time. You know, this river here, we didn't see anybody else out here. I mean, had it to ourselves. Yeah. Beautiful area. So thanks for the invite, man. We're gonna have to do it again. Yeah, for sure. This is definitely more what I'm used to. So it's harder when somebody's not used to it to fish it the same way, and it's a little bit of a challenge. But I love kind of exploring like this. I don't know if he likes it that much. You'll have to go find out. You have to go watch his channel. Kayak Catfish, y'all.
And you'll find to see his video, see what he thought about it. And who knows? Maybe next time I'll be catching some giant catfish or something. I don't know, but it's
gonna happen at some point. We're gonna do that trip.
We're gonna do some more. But there's a tournament tomorrow. We might go fishing in tomorrow. You need to come fishing. I messed up.
You're not gonna finish dead last because I'm there.
There's a tournament tomorrow. He's already fishing it, and I've been trying to do them. I'll probably go fish it tomorrow. We may go to the same area or something like that. But we'll see how that goes. But we'll definitely be doing some more fishing. Thanks for watching. I'll leave his channel and information in the video description, and you can go check it out if you don't already know. But yeah, appreciate all the support, and thanks for watching.